grateful that I am mastering drafting patterns with ease. I am thankful for my growing skills in pattern drafting. Every day, I become better and better at drafting patterns. I am confident in my ability to create accurate, beautiful patterns. I am grateful that my hands and mind work in perfect harmony. Drafting patterns feels natural and effortless to me. I am focused, calm, and precise while working. I am grateful for my talent and creativity in fashion design. I enjoy the process of drafting, measuring, and cutting with perfection. My eyes see details clearly, and my mind understands patterns instantly. I am grateful that I learn and master drafting techniques quickly. I am becoming a master of proportion, balance in design. My patterns are always accurate, clean, and professional. I am thankful for my growing knowledge and skill. Every draft I create is better than the last. I am grateful that I always improve with practice. I trust my abilities and believe in my skills. I am creative, skilled, and inspired in drafting patterns. I am grateful that I retain all my learning and apply it with ease. My hands move smoothly and confidently with every line I draw. I am patient, precise, and skillful in drafting. I am grateful that I master even advanced pattern techniques. I am open to learning and improving every day. I love drafting patterns and crafting perfect design. My confidence grows with every successful craft draft. I am thankful for the gift of skill, patience, and creativity. I attract opportunities to use and showcase my drafting mastery. I am abundant in knowledge, skill, and inspiration. I am grateful that my drafting patterns bring me success and recognition. I am a master of drafting, and I keep growing with joy and gratitude. I am grateful, I am abundant, I am mastering drafting patterns now. I am grateful for my gift in drafting patterns. I master drafting patterns with ease and precision. I am thankful that drafting patterns comes naturally to me. Every day, my skills in pattern drafting improve. I am focused, calm, and creative when I draft. I understand measurements easily. I translate ideas into patterns with clarity. I am thankful for my accuracy in lines and shapes. Drafting patterns is easy, simple, and enjoyable for me. I trust my hands, my mind, and my creativity. I am skilled, talented, and confident in my drafting. I am grateful that drafting is becoming effortless. I see patterns in my mind clearly. I place allowance perfectly. I draft sleeves, colors, bodies, and skirts gown with accuracy. Every pattern I create fits beautifully. I am grateful for my fast improvement. I love learning more about drafting every day. My teachers, mentors, and guides are amazed at my skill. I feel proud of my talent and pattern drafting. I am thankful for my creativity flowing smoothly. My hands follow my vision perfectly. I am confident and precise in drafting. I am thankful that mistakes turns into learning. I improve quickly and naturally. I master every step of the drafting process. I enjoy making clean, balanced, and perfect lines. I am grateful for the beauty of my work. I trust my intuition in drafting. I am confident in measurements and proportions. I am thankful for my growing talent. I am a master of drafting patterns. I am a creative, talented, and successful. I am thankful that I draft with joy and focus. I am blessed with endless inspiration and accuracy. I love drafting and drafting loves me. I am grateful that my drafting brings success. I am open to abundance, skills, and mastery. Every day and every way, I get better and better in drafting. I am thankful for my unstoppable improvement. My patterns are neat, balanced, and professional. I master drafting patterns now. I am grateful, I am skilled, I am successful.